today is here, and it is an unboxing because I just got a new gadget and you know I have to unbox it for you. Look at it, this big boy. Yes, it's Kenwood, you can see that, but who can guess what is inside? Who can guess? Don't worry, that's what I'm here for. I will show you. I just already cut the top to make it easier. I've actually not opened anything inside. So we're seeing this together right now. The pusher. Oh, of course, the jaws, the jar, that's the jar, and the, what do they call it? I'll remember. Yes! The powerhouse itself. This is it, my new slow juicer, Kenwood slow juicer. I love it and I'm looking forward to using it and seeing how it performs against my former slow juicer and see how well it does and all that. So I'm so excited. I'll be bringing you the review and recipes with it and lots of things, and I'm excited. I love slow juicers. It's actually recommended above centrifugal juicers because when it juices, it retains more of the nutrients. When you juice with a centrifugal juicer, you'll notice once you put it down, it separates. But with slow juicers, you do not have that. So it preserves the nutrients more and you can actually keep it in the fridge or freezer for a little longer than with centrifugal juicer. So don't worry, I'll be bringing you lots of juicing recipes with this now. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to give me a thumbs up, and to keep watching for exciting things coming your way. Till next time, it's Lagos Housewife as always. Bye!